Hey y'all, so my hair is done. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree, and as you see by the title, you already know what we doing in this video. So I just finished getting my hair done. Y'all, this is the old wig I had from my birthday. I had blonde. This was a blonde wig, and I just got it red. And yeah, I got in this little style I saw on Instagram. I just thought it was so cute. Yeah, that's just what I got, and I really love my hair. My hair is so pretty. I'm so hungry though, so I need to find somewhere to eat. It is currently 1:47 right now. Okay, these are my nails. I did my nails yesterday. I did it so that they could match my hair. Cute. I'm hungry, but I need to go in the mall too. I need to find something to wear for my brother's graduation tomorrow, because I don't have nothing to wear. I want to wear something cute though, but it's just like I need something that's gonna look right with my hair too, because my hair is red. So it's like, yeah. I really love my hair. Like, Checkers or Chick-fil-A, or both.
Thank you today.
Can I get a medium fry?
Would that be all?
Yes.
I'm finalizing your order and getting your total. $3.26. Thank you. Please pull up to the window.
It's a robot. Y'all know that?
How you doing?
Hi, good to you.
Have a great day.
Thank you too. Alright y'all, I'm in H&M. I'm not gonna talk too much because they play music and I want to get copyrighted. But we're finna see what they got. What the heck is this? But I don't think I'm gonna get none. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, I do men nails too. I do manicures and stuff. Y'all get your nails done?
Shit, baby.
Yeah, y'all should.
Experience is an experience.
Exactly. We in the car. Y'all, I'm hungry. I just want to show y'all my phone and how much pictures I took. Like, is that sad? No, right? Okay, I didn't think so. It's the next day, and it's currently 4:39 right now. So I'm already dressed. So my brother's graduation is at 6, but we're about to leave in a minute because he got to be there at 5:15. So I don't know why my hair look orange on here. It's not orange. It's red. I'm about to leave in a minute. I just wanted to come in and check in with y'all. And
just here.
Alright, y'all, so we're at my old high school and I am really, what's the outside look for me? But yeah, my little brother just graduated. Congrats, y'all, if you watch this, which you should be because you're my brother, so why wouldn't you be watching my videos? But it's 7:40 right now and I don't know what we're about to do. We probably about to find something to eat. I'm hungry. Say your name.
Kennedy. Cassidy.
They're twins.
No, we're not.
I swear they're not twins. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. We just left Chick-fil-A. I need to stop eating candy. I mean, not candy. I need to stop eating candy too, but I need to stop eating Chick-fil-A. I need to stop eating chicken to be exact. So I was supposed to be vlogging today and I literally forgot and I just remembered. So I'm on my phone right now. So we just vlog on my phone. But I just did my nails. I just did them short and I did some white nails. I haven't had white nails in so long. So yeah, I'm about to leave the shop. I'm almost done with my nails. I'm doing this side. So yeah, my brother got a game today. So I'm gonna try to get some footage. Well, I'm not gonna try. I am gonna get some footage for y'all because I left my camera home. And I'm gonna just see y'all later though. So I just was on Facebook and I saw this girl. She got arrested apparently for taking a dude charge. I guess her boyfriend, whoever he is. And I just wanted to come back on here and tell y'all, like, don't ever do nothing like that. Don't ever ruin your life for nobody else. Like, first of all, a real man not gonna ever put you in that position to even be like, can you take my charge? What? No, sir. Goodbye. I'm not taking nothing. Are you crazy? I don't care. I don't care. I'm not taking nobody's charge. You take your own charge. I don't care what nobody say. No. I'm the wrong person. I'm telling you right now, I will never take nobody's charge. You handle that. You did what you did. You gonna go through that time. Go through that time. Period. Like, that don't have nothing to do with me. Like, no. That's all I wanted to say. I'm getting a phone call, so I'm gonna call y'all back. Alright, so I'm sorry this is not the best. Like, I totally forgot I was vlogging, but y'all saw we at the game or whatever, and I'm about to go ahead and go in because it's already started. Well, it's about to start in a second. Let me go here so we can get a seat or whatever and see how it goes.
Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
Hey y'all, so I know y'all thinking that I left the video of what I said at the gym and I was supposed to record after that, but honestly what happened was it was raining and I'm still recording off my phone because I left my camera again. I really didn't have plans to record, but I need to hurry up and get this video out because I got more videos that I need to record and post. But for the most part, yeah, it was raining yesterday, so my brother team, they lost, but not by that much. They played a good game. The coaches was acting a little funny, not gonna lie, he was acting a little funny, but they played a good game or whatever, so it was good. That is really it for this video, y'all. I really don't want to drag this video on no much longer because there's no need. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, just a little quick little vlog, nothing really too much, you know what I'm saying. But I do have a new series coming up, and I'm going to be consistent with the series, and I have some good videos for this series. So this series is going to be called Nail Tech Diaries. So basically in this series I'm going to be talking about all things nails and stuff, because if y'all don't know by now, my channel is basically focused on 3 things, like business, lifestyle, and vlogs. So I stay within those 3 categories. Let's check my subscriber count. I think I'm at 606 subscribers, so we are on the road to 1K. So that's why I gotta hurry up and get this video up so I can get the other videos going and posting them, because it's already what, June 7th. So yeah, this video will be posted this week, because I already finished one of my videos, my first videos for my Nail Tech Diaries, and it's already uploaded. I just got it private right now. So yeah, I can start working on my second video, and I'll probably do like 2 videos in one day and stuff like that, and edit it and try to post it back to back to be consistent. So yeah, that's just what I have coming up, y'all. My birthday is next month, so I'm gonna be 21, and yeah, I don't know for sure what I want to do. I did want to go out of town, but I don't know. I really want to, because I need a trip. Like, I need a trip, and I need to go somewhere. So I really want to go out of town, but I don't really know. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out. I'm gonna have to see. So I'm not do that, because I don't know. I don't got no thing on, but yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I want to do. Yeah. So I'm gonna be 21 next month. God spare my life. And yeah, I'm excited. I just have to figure out what I'm gonna do for real. Guys, make sure you guys like and comment, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video, and make sure you share this video with a brother, sister, cousin, auntie, everybody. Follow me on all my social medias so you can stay updated with me, because I'll be on there daily. So yeah, I hope y'all are having a great day, a blessed day, and that's it, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.